and jealousy has filled your heart. Your heart is bitter, in where you love me. Agini came mereki, agini kagame, kabi digina, kabi digina. Ajam madu bolone kambarago. You are evil. Ajam madu bolone kambarago. You are wicked. Wabi fisikotolo, selakano. Wabi fisikotolo. What you sow is what you will reap. Wicked mercy must not go unpunished. Whatever you sow, that you must reap. Whatever you sow, that you must reap.
your hands now. Hey, keep on killing me. Where is Aguba running like that? What did he do this time?
Who knows? There is no how Big Dikeh will be chasing him if he didn't commit. Please, let's go.
Whatever it is, they will settle.
Better.
They are friends. Why are you?
I don't know my name.
It's your cook. Make it dokulia.
Never musiki.
Hey. I'm going to get that.
Nana, you've sold everything. I'll be going to the market. What is it?
I must kill you today.
What is it?
There's no hiding place for you.
What is it?
If you know what is good for you, step aside.
What did
I want to kill this man.
What did he do?
I want to kill this man.
What did he do?
Do you believe that? I saw this man peeping at my wife while she was taking her bath.
What? He did what?
Ifedi, this man was peeping at my wife while she was taking her bath.
What?
For that, I must kill him today.
You did
Bring
what?
him today. I must kill him.
I want to evangelist.
I must kill him today.
Kill him!
Kill him!
Kill him!
Don't kill me. Hey,
Abba, what is it? What is it? What happened? Who wants to kill you?
it was a dream.
A dream.
By this time of the day.
See, go and get me that money.
Okay.
It's not quite long you came home. You just slept. Now, you're dreaming. Don't kill me. Are you sure you're okay?
I'm okay.
Are you not sure it's fever?
Take a 50 hand off me. As a nurse or doctor.
Which one is as nurse or doctor?
You reckon I'm a butcher meter, I'm a doctor.
Hey, give me the money. Let me
You reckon
Are you sure it's complete?
15,000.
Look,
Is how much?
15.
15.
How much is 15,000 there? This is not what I discussed with your sister, Ife. You see, that's why I don't like doing business with her.
Do I look like if
See, we always find a way to defraud people. A cheat is always a cheat.
I don't get it. I am not Ifedi. I'm Ifechi.
Do I have any business with you?
So why are you not asking me? I gave you money.
If not for your sister, would I be here?
So me.
A retired prostitute.
That's the reason they wanted to kill you in your dream. And it will come to reality. It will come to reality.
A prostitute. Shameless one.
Me.
You want to go 2 years.
Retire. Ask me, don't kill me. Try to this, Iba. Strong one.
Better one.
Strong one.
Better one.
The that man. He has fever.
Better one.
Please go, let me continue.
Abuji, this is not a laughing matter. It looks so rare. Thank God it was a dream. He killed me with a machete. Obidike is a wicked guy. He's very wicked. So mean.
He's not wicked. He's not wicked. Thank God it was a dream. How can you be peeping a woman while beating? Is it right? It's an unforgiving sin. Let me tell you, Agoba, if I happens to be that woman's husband and catches you when you were peeping my wife beating, I will use knife and cut you into two.
Who told you they're married? Abuji, they're not married, they're just dating. Uncle can happen.
Boy has paid her bride price. Yes, I heard it. Do you understand? If you have your eyes on that woman, remove it so your dreams will not come to real. Do you understand? Very soon, I won't be there to save you. Be careful.
You won't be there to save me.
I'm telling you.
Look at this one. You that cannot even kill an ordinary bushmeat. You want to save me? Let's talk about something else.
Mbudi that woman. Be my wife. She's not
married. I'm free to know.
She's engaged. Leave that woman.
I'm free to know.
Stop knowing. Stop knowing.
And what is holding the food?
Camila! Hey!
Hey, it's Bomani.
Nah, this your egusi is too beautiful.
Thank you.
But my wife is more beautiful than you are.
Hey!
Honey, won't you sit down and then join me?
No, my love, eat. hope it tastes delicious.
It's delicious. I know you. You're not just a good wife. You're a good cook too.
Thank you.
I'm lucky to have you.
Thank you.
Hey.
You're not just a husband anyone can have. But you are a husband made for a special woman like me. Just me alone.
I love you.
I love you too. Ngwa, enjoy your food. Let me get you drinking water.
No problem. No problem, my love.
Love is a special thing. Now my love, baby. Love is a special thing. Now my heart, baby. Love, I'll be right. If I'm not single to the remote, so be wise, so be wise. What a job I know me obey. O solu dene na mo, ike ne jogu ne jemba. Ya malukwa na mbogo na tunanjo, utonye sayo kwa. Kaukwa sayo ya, adeju talinaka, apokito kuo. What a job I know me obey. Osolu dene na mo, ike ne jogu ne jemba. Ya malukwa na mbogo na tunanjo, utonye sayo kwa. Kaupa sayo ya, adeju talinaka, apokito. Look after this for me. It's very, very risky, my brother. This is love matter.
Achọrọ m ịma onye naanị ya bụ eze. Onye naanị ya bụ eze. Ọ bụ ọkụ na-ere ere. Achọrọ m ịma onye naanị ya bụ eze. Ọ bụ ọkụ na-ere ere.
You're scared.
My love, you scared me.
Oh, my love. What are you doing?
I'm washing.
Why didn't you wait for me?
Really? I don't have to wait for my husband for me to be a wife. Welcome, my love.
Well done there.
You're back so early. What happened?
Well, nothing happened. It's just that I remembered I have a very beautiful wife at home. Someone who does nothing but to give me joy and happiness. As a man, so I had to rush back home.
I am not buying that, alright? You're my husband and I know you too well. I know when you're happy and when you're pretending to be happy. What happened at the bar where you went to drink with your friends?
Like I said, nothing happened. But if you insist, I will tell you everything you need to know.
Okay.
Let's say I will tell you, but he's not going to be here. Let's go to the bedroom. I will tell you inside the room.
Babe! That did not answer my question, but anyways.
Inside the room, babe.
I am not going anywhere. I need to finish with the chores and serve you food to eat afterwards. I'll give it to you like never before.
What if I say I want it now? You can leave this. All I need is my wife. Come on. Let's go in there. I'll eat you. After eating you, then everything.
It's a special thing. Now my love, baby. Love is a special thing. Now my heart,
That guy must be stupid to think I will fall for him. Ochenanwo, Chika and Rosabel that is always opening teeth and smiling with him.
But babe, that guy is not looking bad. He only said he loves you.
That is where the problem is. He's not my spec. So I cannot fall for him. I'm not even attracted to him in any way.
Just need pretend.
If he's fine.
Hope there's no princess here. No pretense.
Carry him now. You're single. I'm single.
By the way, what of our friend Doka? When are we going to visit her?
Doka. Tomorrow or next?
Tomorrow or next. But tomorrow will be okay for me. Yes, it will be okay by me because next month I have things to do. Biko.
It's okay. I hope you're not going to tell her about our preparations towards the dance competition next month.
Nne, what is your fear? Tell me. Do you think that Dikeh will let her go even if she wish to compete with us? What is not possible? Because the Udoka you know before, Abulozi the same Udoka.
That is the same thing I'm saying. The fear of this thing called marriage. I'm not ready for it at all. A man will come and marry me and start deciding for me just like that.
Will you get married to yourself? Even if a man gets married to you, you guys have equal rights. But that is not what we are into now. Even if you want to go into marriage, get ready for it. Because if you rush in, you rush out. So get used to it.
Not now. I don't prepared for it.
Okay.
I have seen and heard enough from people that are already in it. So, I know, man. When we get to that bridge, we'll cross it.
My friend.
So where are you going to now?
Do I have anywhere I'm going to?
No, baby, don't tell me that. Who is that fool to say that? You mean to tell me that you stood there and allowed that fool talk to you in that manner and you did nothing about it? My love.
Baby, listen. It's not that I didn't try to react. But Abuchi blocked me before I could reach to him.
Baby, this is not an excuse. This guy has bitten more than he can chew. And this is the right time to put him in his position where he belongs. He can't just talk rubbish about us and go scot-free. No, who does that?
Come on, we don't need all this. I mean, we don't need them or him to prove our love.
Babe, this is the right time for you to prove our love. We should not allow nonsense coming between us.
My love, listen. There is a saying that two wrong cannot make a right. But I promise you, when next he cross my path, you'll hear the result. That's my promise.
My love, the problem is that you're too kind. You know, you are too good to a fault. You shouldn't allow it. You're too kind. People will take your kindness for foolishness, and I don't want that.
It's okay, my love. It's okay. But I didn't tell you all this for you to get upset. Come on. You know what? You are all that matters to me. So I don't care what anybody is saying or whatever they are doing. If they want to hang themselves, I will provide an empty land for them to do that.
And I'll bring the rope.
Like, seriously? I love you, baby.
Love you too. But you should do something about it. Please, Aguba. Aguba Madukwan Kemmo.
My love, you know, you left me in there as soon as I opened up to you. We didn't finish what we went in to do. You rushed out as soon as you heard everything. Come on.
And you followed?
I had to follow now. You left me hanging. So what do you expect?
Babe, please. I'm going to finish with these clothes. Alright? Before any other
Baby, come on. The clothes can wait. Something is standing, you know? Something is...
Who is this man?
Something is hungry.
Who is this man?
Something is man. Hey, babe. You're back to the country?
Oh my God. When did you come back? Oh, really? Really? Wow, I've missed you so much. It's okay. I will try. I will try and see you. Okay. Okay, babe. Okay, okay. The love of my life. You're welcome. Okay. Okay, you're welcome, okay? Yeah. This is your number, right? It's okay, I'll save it. Okay, bye.
Yeah, Abuchi, my friend. I am so happy for you.
My girl is back to the
I
country.
overheard your conversation with her. That means you'll be going back to the city anytime soon.
Not so fast. I'm not really thinking towards that direction for now. I have to do the needful, you know, before that. Yes, you know, getting to know her to know each other and all that.
Yeah, you're right, but if you ask me, I will advise you rush it fast before another man will jump into your soup.
I only be another rush anything.
Meanwhile, let me tell you why I'm here.
Okay.
I don't know if you'll be using your gun tomorrow. I want to go hunting tomorrow morning.
Okay, I have 2. I can give you 1. But what happened to your own?
My own is 40. So I took it to the man that will service it. He said I should give him 3 days. I can't be like this now. I can't just fold my arms for 3 days. That's why I'm looking for alternatives so that I'll keep hunting.
It's okay. It's okay. Let me get 1 for you.
Abuchi. Hey! At least I'll go to Hey! Abuchi, my good friend. This is the only good friend. Others will not follow you.
Hey, good afternoon.
Okay, man. Hey! I'm surprised you are here. Huh? This one you came to my house. I hope I'm safe.
Why are you talking as if I've not been coming to this house?
You've been coming though, but you know, you always come around when you want bush meat. Huh?
So, do you have any?
Any? Bush meat?
I mean, do you have anunchi?
By this time. You and I know that it is practically impossible for any hunter to have a bush meat by this time. Huh? But I know where you can get that.
Where, please? Tell me.
Don't be in a hurry. Don't you know me again? I go back. Huh? I have all the contacts. Even if you want 10 bush meats, you will get. Huh? You have forgotten that Agoba is the king of the jungle.
I know, but tell me please. Let me run along because I'm running out of time. Please.
If I take you to the place you will get the bushmeat, let's just go inside my house, and so I can touch you in your joyful places. But I'm a man. Agoba is a man.
Agoba.
Naturally endowed.
Are you high?
High and against.
In Urukai? Do I look like those girls that we wish to have something to do with you?
How do they look?
If that is your little way of luring people into your house, you have failed. In fact, I don't need your help anymore.
If I front and back pant. If I the front and back pant and actually help. Front to ruin your back. Exhibit an empire. And you prepare to get broken in your pit toilet. There's nothing I cannot see. If you will pay me to sleep with you. If you will pay me. Then if front and back pant. It's Peter. Nisi Poo.
Is your husband in? Please call him for me.
I hope there's no problem.
No problem. There's no problem.
Well, come boy. Let me call him. Honey! Baby. Come on. Someone is here to see you. Why ain't you? Hey, she's here to see you.
This one you left your shop to my house. I hope all is well.
All is well. Because do you have, I need like 2 or 3 inch. If you have, or do you have anyone you can direct me to get one?
Well, I don't have fresh inchi. But I think I know who can help if he wishes to.
Chalupa, will you accept? dried ones, like dried enchi.
I don't mind.
You don't mind?
I can even add money on top.
Yeah.
Baby, I hope it's not what I'm thinking.
It depends on what you're thinking of.
I hope you're not thinking about me selling those nchi that I dried. It's for our personal use now.
I know. Well, look at her. She needs nchi urgently, so why not we sell to her? We have a lot. Go happy maybe, so it won't.
No, please.
This is what I suffered to dry that nchi.
But I tried it with you. It's business.
No, please now. I don't mind adding money to it.
Yeah, she needs this nchi urgently, and we have so many already.
See, dried nchi is not the same price with the fresh one, oh.
I don't mind.
You will pay.
I will pay now. Bring them.
Go and bring them. Oh, come.
Let me wear my slippers.
I'm
coming. Let me wear my slippers.
Thank you so much. Thank you. What would I have done without you?
It's okay. Why are you been?
Hey, thank you very much.
It's okay. You know, we women, we understand ourselves better.
Exactly.
But what do you want to do with this plenty nchi? In a Mezi festival nchi?
Some of my customers have called me for meeting. And the ones I have in my shop is not enough to entertain them. So
you're lucky, you have a business. This is one of them.
This is exactly what I want too. Chiti, bring them. I like it.
See, this nchi is times 2 of the fresh one in price.
No problem. Bring the remaining 2 because this nchi is very big.
In that case, let me put it inside.
Baby, take this one and pack everything.
No, let me put it inside bag. Then if I
go and put. We lose more time.
This one is very big.
Envy and jealousy has fooled your heart. Your heart is bitter.
Calm down, now. This is the way you're doing your hand.
Ifechi. Aka na-esi anụ nchi n'obodo. Ị na-esikasikwa. Ifechi, ọ na-ekpo. Ifechi see as the first person when they come in your shop today. I will see. Go give me 1 plate of fish soup. On a free or free.
Please don't make me laugh. I should give you nchi. Do you know my sister is running here and there looking for nchi? No. You're done with it and wait. I'm coming, Joe. Don't worry, leave it. She's going from one place to another to get nchi, and you're telling me to give you free. See, I have a lot of customers coming today. Meeting persons are coming to my place, so I need more.
Ife, calm down, eh? The place I sent Ife to go and look for bushmeat. She is coming back with enough bushmeat.
From how? From who?
How did I know? She must get it from Dikeh, Abuchi or Agoba. Those boys are the best bushmeat hunters in this village. What are you telling me? Calm down, give me now.
No problem. That is if she gets it. If she brings enough, I will give you 1 plate. Else, for now, I have a lot of customers. I have people coming for meetings. So I will not do that though. But when she comes with enough of it, I will give you. You know now, you're my person.
Ifechi, Abuji,
you see why I said you are a fool, and you're a fool you shall remain.
Agoba. I will not have you come to my house to insult me. Don't try it.
But it is you who started insulting yourself in the first place. Look at you. Abuji, you opened your mouth and told me that Dikeh came here and you gave him your spare gun. Who does that? I mean, which man in his right senses will do such? Same Dikeh who refused to teach you how to hunt and set traps. That's the Dikeh you gave your gun for the Christmas. Abuji, open your eyes and make use of your brain. You see, this is our opportunity to make good money, real money, in 3 days. Yes.
How?
Abuchi, let me educate you. I know you don't know. If Dikeh does not go for hunting in 3 days, you and I will be the only ones supplying meat in this village. And that's huge money for the both of us.
But we are friends. We are not competing with anybody or with each other.
That is what you think. I sent Ifed here this afternoon to come and buy dry meat. Did she come? She did not come.
No, I did not see her.
Oh, you did not see her. Dikeh Konada took her to his house, collected the money, and supplied her bushmeat. And you are here telling me we are not in competition. Whereas he sees us as his rivals. Now tell me, what do you call competition? You see, I cannot be fooled. I know Dikeh. He doesn't like me, and I don't care. Dikeh brings one man. He's an evil man. You don't know him. I know him like the back of my palm. Dikeh. John Mado. Dikeh is not a friend. Oh yeah, John Mado. Truth. Makachi. Dikeh Ajoka.
What do I believe? Is it that Aguba is telling me the truth? Probably Dikeh that I know is a very straightforward person, free-minded person. He cannot do such. Or maybe Aguba is trying for us to team together against Dikeh. Aguba is an evil man, but he can never get me to his side. You know what he can draw me to his side.
Honey?
Hey, my love.
I'm rushing out now.
Don't you want to wait for your friends?
No, I can't wait. Huh? Very soon the sun will come out. So let me rush and check my traps. If another person will invade my traps and take my meat.
No problem.
Take care of yourself for me.
Well, good luck. Oh.
Hey!
Bam. Dikeh no one no. Dikeh mbodike. Dikeh.
Abuchi, is it not obvious? Huh?
Now what happened?
No one is here.
Dikeh must have gone for hunting without us. I'm going to go see a man, every man.
Let's check first now. We are here already.
I'm going to check.
Eh?
Dikeh.
Let's go now. Attack. Dikeh. Oh, no.
Good morning, Abuchi.
Morning.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Morning, Kekime.
I'm fine.
Oh, Dikeh.
Yes, okay.
My husband just stepped out. He said he's tired of waiting for you people, so he needed to check his trap first.
But we planned we're going to move together this morning to the bush.
Yes.
Eh? What happened?
I am sorry. He told me, he made mention of that, but I don't know. We didn't meet him on the way.
No, we followed the front house.
Oh, go see who no. Oh, that's okay. He took this way, so why not hurry? So you meet him.
Has it been long?
No, he also has on.
God. Right, let's just meet up with him.
No.
No.
We have to.
Envy and jealousy has filled your heart. Your heart is bitter. In where you love begin. Agini came mereki. Agini kage me. Kobi digin na. Kobi digin na. Ajam madu borone kambaragoku. You are evil. Ajam madu borone kambaragoku. You are wicked. you sow is what you will.
Aguma. Okay. What is it? Let's go now.
Her beauty is out of this world. Skin like milk.
Can you imagine?
Always glowing.
What kind of nonsense is this? What is wrong with you? Eh? Aguma, you're talking about someone's wife. I saw the way you were staring at her, admiring her. Why you mad to me? Be careful. That woman is married. Married to somebody. Remove your eyes from someone's wife.
Someone's wife? Eh? Are you under some kind of influence? Eh? Someone's wife, you said. I forbid you to call her that. Who is someone's wife? Udoka is single. Single, waiting for Agoba Denko.
Okay, listen. For your information, eh? That woman is married.
To who?
Udoka is Obidike's wife. Udoka is Obidike's wife. So, earlier the better. Remove your hand from there. I don't know why you drive joy in putting your hand in some nasty things.
Abuji, let me educate you. You know you're a local man, very local. I'm an international man. I go back the international man. Eh? You see, for the fact that I'm here in this village with you guys does not mean that we'll be placed on the same pedestal. There are things I know you don't know. You said that Obidike paid our bride price. Were you there? You were not there. And I was not there. As far as I'm concerned, they are dating. Oko ka na apia, iko ka na akwa, and on the way to a sin in the sight of God. Let Obidike do the needful. Aside that, they are dating, they are fornicating, and let her come.
Now listen to me.
Listen to me.
Aguba.
What do you?
They are married.
They are not.
Obidike is married to Udoka.
I said they are not married. They are dating.
Eh?
Now
get where I'm coming from. Bride price is the key to marriage. So if you want, go ahead and do traditional marriage or do white wedding. But once you've not paid the person's bride price, my brother, you're not married. Do you understand? So, when it go happen, I don't see me. What's it go happen? Be careful.
Abushi, Udoka is mine and mine forever.
Why? Onugodi?
No, she's waiting for me. Udo Agoba. Udoka Agoba, she's single. She's waiting for me. What is he going to do? There's nothing you can do. Aye, what? Aye. Let me tell you something you don't know. Eh? Udoka is mine and mine forever. She is single, waiting for Agoba Denko. Agoba Denko. Udoka is mine.
Envy and jealousy has fooled your heart. Your heart is bitter. In where you look.
Where we go? Hey, where we go? One day. It's like you've made a catch this morning.
I saw my brother. I have been able to kill Tunch.
Chiruguri, Obidike. You will go in China already this morning.
That's why I'm cutting this thing. I want to use it to tie Dinchi so that the weight will balance while going home.
Obidike, but it's not fair now. We agreed that we'll live together. But you left us.
My brother, I am sorry. You see what happened? You know, they normally go there to steal my inchi. So I rushed out early in the morning to go and then through.
But it's okay. It's okay. Anyhow, I'm happy for you. It's not easy. Okay.
Let's go.
Yes. Nah, I'm happy for you, okay?
Thank you.
Yes.
I wish the two of you successful hunting.
Anyway, let me tap. I tap.
Tap the blessing. Collect the blessing. My brother. Collect her.
Hey. Let's go.
Udo.
Envy and jealousy has filled your heart. Your heart is bitter. In where you love begin. Akinike mereki. Akinike ageme. Go be digging now. Go be digging now. Ajon madu borone gambarago. You are evil. Ajon madu borone gambarago. You are wicked. Wabi fisikotolo selakano. Wabi fisikotolo selakano. What you sow is what you will reap. Wicked person must not go unpunished. Whatever you sow, that you must reap. Whatever you sow, that you must reap. Wicked person must not go unpunished.
Dollar my man before the war. Dollar have fun, No, I called the other number, your old number, the one I have, but it was not connected. Huh? Hi, Dollar. Good to hear from you. Huh? You better need to go. God punish them. Hey! Dollar man! You can Pentecost. I will set this place. I will set this village ablaze. I will set this village ablaze. You are coming? I will announce your arrival. Villager no nafufu. Villager no nafufu. Dollar man. Hey! Oh my God. Villager. Oh no nafufu. Dollar man is here. Kai you obodegu. Obutenike. Ike Pentecost. Okay, change him. Okay, I know him. He will change me for good.
Envy and jealousy has filled your heart. Your heart is bitter. In where you love begin. Akinike mereki. Akinike ageme.
Agubana Ronko is here. Who is here? The rich man is around. Where is your auntie?
She's inside. What can I bring for you?
Bring for me? As what? You can't serve me. You are not up to. Get her for me. Tell her to come and serve me.
She's busy in the kitchen, so I'm the one serving people.
And I said you can't serve me. Eh? And besides, there is nobody here, as far as I'm concerned. These two are non-living things.
Aguba.
My aunt is here already.
Okay. Huh? What is what?
What is it?
What else will I be doing here? Does this place look like a museum or an amusement park? Don't you know why I'm here? I'm here to drink.
You are here to drink. Hope is not on credit.
What do you mean? Are you under some kind of influence? What? Are you under some kind of influence? Are you on colos?
What is that on colos?
What do you mean? So, you want to insult me?
I am not insulting you. The only thing is that we have new laws here now.
Made by who?
By me.
By you, as the owner of the shop.
See, Ife is not around.
Ife has not made any law. You are the one to make laws for us. Ifechi, this is not your business. We know your business.
What is...
Ashawo Kena, but you're a prostitute.
Don't call me that name.
Ashawo Bolafo.
Don't call me that name.
Ashawo Bolafo. Come on, go and get me something.
Let me go and get you your drink.
Come on!
Madam, you go try making you this credit. Credit no good for this business. So. Before you know it now, you go fold.
Thank you.
Madam, if you see, anybody will not get money, no give and drink on credit. No credit today, come tomorrow.
One cup of water for you.
You see, you are one of the reasons why we have approached the government to ban Bet Naija and Sporty Bet. The effect is, on the high side. What is doing to you guys? Every time when I check tickets, Arsenal versus Man U. Hey! 1-0, 18.6 million gone. Hi! And I don't go price motor for Summit Road. It's a later get a motor. Be productive. I don't know what you guys take me for. An international man. I go back then call. You see, let me tell you, I'm not a poor man. I'm not a poor man. I'm not as broke as Dikeh, who could not do things properly. He said he paid the bride price. I was not there. When he woke up one morning and told us that he has already paid bride price. When I will finally marry Udoka, my love. It's going to be something else now. A gathering of cream de la cream. The big bananas, the imones, the big one was, rich men like me. Yeah? You see? You serve without opener. Ashawo.
Stop calling me that name.
Prostitution.
Stop calling me that name.
Ashawo kobo.
Stop calling me that name.
Yes, I get
Please give me
Lege. Sonny Kegin Ebu. Nonsense.
Abuchi, my brother.
Yeah?
You know, we have come a long way. Not just as friends, but as brothers.
Right.
There is this thing I want to discuss with you.
Okay.
As brothers. I need your advice. Let me check or know if I'm about to make a mistake.
Okay.
Whatever I am discussing with you should be confidential, please.
It's okay. Go ahead.
I want to leave this village for the city. So, I've been saving. I discussed with my wife. She said I should seek for your advice as the closest friend and as a brother. I don't know if you have any contact that I will be needing in the city.
Yes, I do. I do have a contact in the city. But that's a nice move. Yeah, nice moves, man. A very good one. You know, I never knew you started planning for your greater future.
What can I do, my brother?
That's a nice one. But do you know what? Whenever you're ready, just let me know.
Are you indirectly telling me that you have a contact?
You see, you're my brother. I'm ready to do anything for you.
Ha!
Yes, that's true.
Abuchi, you don't know what you've done for me. It's okay. I'm sure that my wife will be happy to hear this when she comes back.
Yeah. I want to ask you something. It's about your wife, Udoka. Are you moving with her or are you leaving her behind?
This is a very good question. Do you know that I've not thought of this up till now? Well, I think I need to discuss it with her first. Because I don't know how she's planning it. I might be planning it differently and she will be planning her own differently. It's only when she gives me an answer to that I can answer you.
It's okay. I'm asking because I wouldn't want you to make mistakes in the future. You know, mistakes that will make you cry in the future. I wouldn't want you to make that kind of mistake, you know.
Not while I have
in my distance relationship at the same moment. You understand?
No, I trust my wife now. I trust my wife with my life.
It's good you trust her.
Hey!
The world today is...
I will shoot anybody that trespasses. Why I can...
No, you know, I'm just trying to...
But I have you now.
Yes.
That's why I said,
I will.
Be close to my wife. You are the only person I trust in this village, sure you know.
I will take care of her.
Because if you cannot take care of my wife, I will stay back home. I'll forget the city. I trust you now.
It's okay.
I trust you.
It's okay.
Please, what can I offer you?
Asking us if this is the first time.
Your drink is not in this house, so sure you know.
How long
is it? How long is it? Let's go to the bar. You understand?
Okay.
I will buy you a drink.
Are ready?
Go. How many
This
bottles?
bar we are heading to. Are you ready?
How many bottles can you take?
Mary, we bring box.
How many bottles? I know you cannot ask for cheap. You are tired of Nchi now? We are the killers of Nchi. So,
Honey? Hey, what took you so long? You got me worried. Are you okay?
I'm fine.
Hey.
I was discussing with Abuchi.
Hey. How did it go?
Well, Abuchi is such a promising young man. He promised that he will get me connected whenever I'm ready.
Hey!
Are you surprised?
I am not surprised. He's a nice man. You see, this is how you see and know a good friend. Unlike that, Agoba. Oswa, if it were to be Agoba, I am sure he would discourage you. I hate him. That's your friend. I hate him so much.
He's not my friend. Eh?
He's your friend.
He's my friend.
He's not your friend.
Okay, boss, know this. Don't hate anybody in your life.
I heard you. Ma'am.
Meanwhile,
Yes, sir.
I'm hungry.
Food is ready. Come, let's go inside so you eat.
Honey, serve me outside here now. You know, inside is hot. Let me get my seat here.
I'm so worried, but I'm super happy for you.
Thank you, my love. Go on, come. I'm hungry. Hey!
Since then, I've not heard from you. Does that mean you did not accept my proposal or what?
That's not it. Like I said, it's not in my place to decide. Brother said we should wait for him to return before we could do anything.
Look, Natasha, you know time waits for no one. Huh? I only want to be with you together forever, and I promise you're not going to regret it one bit.
I know. I'm only following instructions. You know how violent my brother can get. That's what I'm trying to avoid.
It's okay. It's okay. You know, I just came back to meet my mother and I'll be going back tomorrow. Maybe if you're not doing anything, you come around so she'll get to know you and know you better.
No, that's fine. Okay, I'll like that as well. So maybe later today I'll come.
Alright, cool. And I'll also give you what I bought for you.
Oh, thank you.
Come here.
Thank you. Alright, I'll take my wig now.
See you later.
Oh. You're so bad.
Hey, bye.
That's why I'm special. That's why Agoba is special. Agoba, I am fearless. You know, people say I'm mad, but I don't care. If being mad is what it takes to live in this wicked world, so be it. Akurema Mara, Odomanya.
Hey, God. You're right, my friend. You see, there's nothing you do or say to please everyone in this life.
You're right, too. Not even your wife, the woman you're married. Now, the one you call your better half. There is nothing you can do to please her. Huh? She's there because of the benefits, so what she's getting from you. If things go south, she will take a walk. If you're wine, wine. That's how God created women. Huh?
You never change.
Who
am I? Sin. Abuchi. Okay. Kekwen, the queen has shine. When did you come back? I just came back.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
You're welcome, okay?
Nice to see you.
Thank you, my brother. I was actually coming to see Aguba before I met you guys here together.
Abuchi?
Yes, eh?
I hope all is well.
Of course, of course.
I can't remember inviting you to my house.
Must you invite me before coming to your house?
Oh, that's where you got it all wrong. Eh? See, you must notify a man before coming to his house.
So that is how it's being done all over the world. All over the world.
In White House. Alright? No, not be White House. No, White House.
That is how it's being done everywhere.
Where? We Africans, my friend. We are not in Western world. Okay? Notifying you or not notifying you doesn't mean anything.
Guys.
Yes.
Guys, hold on. I need to head home. Then I'll come back and meet you in the evening at the bar.
Okay.
I'll be there
I hope to see you guys there.
I will be there before you.
Of course, I will be there.
Yeah, thank you.
Idiot. What is even wrong with you? Why do you like insulting people in public? What
do you call an insult?
You're asking me.
Then I said you should inform me before you come to my house.
Why would I inform you before coming to your house? For what? No, give me 2 reasons. Yeah?
A local man is a local man.
I pity you.
You need to travel out. So you're still using teeth to open drink?
Look at you. Okay, show me the opener you're opening your own. Where is the opener now?
The opener.
International man.
That is the case. Let's go get the gift.
Why? She only make herself look cheap before him and his mother.
What's cheap here? He told you he bought something for you. I mean, this is an open invitation.
I still don't understand where you guys are landing, so speak English.
Girlfriend, gift waits for nobody.
Okay.
I'm not advising you to go there and open your 2 legs for him. No. What is important is the gift. We go there, we get the gift, and move.
Natachi, you're no longer a child. If you choose to do otherwise, that is your business. But if you refuse a man, you refuse his gift too. Me, I have somewhere to go.
Hello? We're talking about me here. Why are you angry?
Hello? We're talking about us here. Let's go and get the gift.
Envy and jealousy has fooled your heart. Your heart is bitter.
I was very happy when he told me he has proposed to you. But why didn't you accept his proposal? My son is a very handsome, promising young man, and I'm sure he will take good care of you.
I know, Mama. I already told him. My brother came and said I should wait for him to return. So, you know, I'm only a girl. I should just respect him.
But that should not have stopped you from accepting him. You would have accepted him. When your brother comes back, we'll go on and commence with the traditional wedding things.
I'll think about it, Mama. So he said I should come around this evening. So where is Chidi?
Oh, Chidi. He went out with Abuba. Oh. I'm sure by now they will be at Ifechi's bar.
Oh, okay. I'll see him on my way out.
But
yes, Mama.
I'll continue being a good girl.
I will.
She is a good girl. Beautiful, well-behaved, and from a good family. She's the type of girl you need to settle down with.
What do you think the brother would want this? Because Mama, if you could remember vividly, about 4 years ago what happened. I think that's the reason why he said we should hold on to every flat till he gets back.
That's a long time ago, I don't think so. You know, their father is no more. He is standing as a father for her. Maybe he wants to be back, see the sister, to make sure that she is happy before we proceed with the marriage program.
Well, that's fine. I'll wait. But she should know that time waits for me.
That reminds me. Have you told her about your child?
No, but that's not necessary. No. Please, it's not.
Chidi, if you have not told her about your child, you better do that. Whatever you will not like another person to do to you, no point of doing it to someone else. Okay, assuming she had such a thing from you and you later found out, what will you do? How will you take it?
I might find out. I'll talk to her. I'll tell her about it.
Better.
I'm not hungry. I'm hungry.
I'll get you something to eat.
Now you're talking.
When did you even return from the city?
I just came back yesterday. Oh, look at you.
Happen. You don't look bad, my brother. Come to take me. Let me get here for you.
No, not necessary. Hey, this girl. Hey.
Hey. Hey, shake. My brother, so that you'll be receiving fresh air. We don't have AC.
You, eh?
No, why will I change? My one and only brother. No. Hey, come here, sir. Hijo. My brother, what do I offer you? Hey, my brother, you're welcome. What do I offer you now?
No, nothing, no need. Sis, I got something for you. Okay. Go ahead, look at it.
Hi! Say the one name. Hey! You got me a phone. Chidi, you want shopping for me?
Stop traumatic.
Hey! Chidi, wonderful. Thank you.
So I can communicate with my sister.
Hey! Since I don't have a phone. Chidi, one name. Thank you so much. Oh, I appreciate it.
Wow.
Hey. Let me go and hide it. You know this is village. I don't want stories that touch us. Thank you.
Hey! Girl, you never change.
Hey! Tima!
You don't look bad.
Thank you, my brother.
Who do we have here? Yeah, I'll go. Okay. Ibia. Yeah? I just came back yesterday. Are you for real?
My love, my brother here went shopping for me. He bought me lots of things, including phone.
Are you for real?
He's okay.
Ogo, thank you. Thank you. Thank you. I really appreciate it. Honey?
Yes, my love.
Have you offered him something?
He has refused to take anything.
No. That's not necessary because I'll be going back to the city this morning, okay? So I don't think all that is necessary. I just came to give this big head what I bought for her.
Your favorite big head?
I would have asked her how she's doing, but as I can see, okay, you're doing fine.
We're taking care of each other. We're taking care of each other. Ogo, you can't come to my house without accepting something. Even if it's a cup of water. I have cold water from native pot inside. Let me go and get you a cup of water.
My love, my brother is a city man. You can't be offering him water from the pot. Let me go and buy bottled water for him from Mama and kitchen. That would be best for him.
He's from this village. So he lets him test the local this thing he's used to before.
My love, old things have passed away. Leave the old things for you and I.
Baby, you know I don't like you being stressed.
It's fine. Let me get you water.
Let me go and get the water myself.
Sit down. My love, sit. Let me get you water. My brother can't talk and believe you know.
Hey. Now I know why my sister got married to you. You there, Kwekwe?
I love your sister.
That's good, I'm happy.
So Ogo, how is business in the city? How is it doing?
City's as good as this place. You're looking fresh. Look at come on now.
Looking fresh like this? A hunter, looking fresh.
Anunchi.
Yeah, Anunchi now.
Okay.
And tell me that we are making a lot of money in Nchi. No, you can't make enough money to buy this kind of car, you know?
You're talking about freshness.
Nyam connection. Connect yam na here now.
I must confess, he's a very nice man. See the way he's looking after you. A real brother should do.
I'm grateful I have him as a brother. If the mother is aware of his coming to see me, I'm sure she will never support that. She will do anything humanly possible to see that I don't succeed. She doesn't even want to see me live happily.
I don't get it. I thought that was all in the past. She will be regretting all her actions by now.
Say so. You don't know that woman. She has tried everything to make sure that her children hate me. She has even tried convincing this one to hit me, but she could not recruit them. So she will never give up, I know. Regret.
Babe.
She has no atom of regret in her.
Babe, there's no gain in wickedness. So I believe she must have changed. Just that you are not close to her. She'll be a changed person by now, I believe so.
Say so. Let me tell you. A woman that killed her late husband, my father, simply because he refused to join her in destroying my life ever since my mother died. She can never change. Oh, she enjoyed being wicked.
Baby, I've told you this before. Come on. Stop saying what you cannot defend.
Who told you I cannot defend what I just said?
What evidence have you that she killed your father?
Okay.
Eh?
Use me as an example. I'm a graduate. I was working in the city as a graduate. This woman succeeded in bringing me down to this village and subjected me to whatever she wants. Took everything away from me. Made me marry you, and all my dreams, my desire, my career, they all died just like that because of that woman. And you're here arguing with me, saying that I don't know what I just said. Babe, I'm not daft. I know what I just said, and I stand on it. She's a wicked woman.
So you're regretting getting married to me?
Babe, don't say that. You are everything and more I want in a man. Now let me make the point clear to you. That woman is evil. She's wicked. And I don't regret marrying you. I'll choose you over and over again. I'll choose you over any man. Be it Agoba or that on Kape. I'll choose you. You're everything I want in a man and more. I love you.
Are you sure?
I'm sure.
You don't know how this you just said hurts me.
I'm sorry. Don't take it that way.
You know what? Let's change the topic.
But
I love you.
Even if I was in the city, I'll still be married to you.
How? I'm not based there. I'm here in the village.
Are you not planning on going to the city?
Yes, but I'm not based there yet.
Destiny will surely bring us together, be it in this village or in the city. Don't you think so?
Are you sure?
I am sure.
How sure are you that those big men with BB cars will not take you away from me if...
Says I won't tell you I've not been seeing men with big cars and money. And I'm still here with you. I got you. I'm telling you the truth. Go away.
I love you, my love.
I love you more.
My love, I don't think it's wise to leave you behind.
I disagree with you. It is unwise for us to leave this village together to the city, knowing fully well that with our life savings we cannot afford a decent rent. I mean a decent house in the city. Because
my love, but with our life savings, we can share it into two. So, what will you be doing if I go to the city now?
Farming, of course. With that, I can take care of myself.
Farming? Love, I'm not comfortable with that. Okay, you know what? Why not we share our life savings into two?
You use one to start up a business here in the village. Why are you the other one to go to city?
No. Go with the money. I'll be fine. Not like you have anyone to ask for money in the city. Babe, look at me. I have a roof over my head. You need more money than I do. Alright, I'll be fine, my love. Don't worry about me.
My love, I want you to be happy. I don't want you to depend on anybody.
Baby, I am fine and happy. You are the man. Go and make money. Okay? When you are fine and good, you can come take me to the city. Go and man up first.
Are you sure? That is what you want? That's what will make you happy.
That will take the bag. Bag of money.
Okay. Abuchi, if not for anything, at least see her as your brother's wife. You are the only one I trust in this village.
Why is it so sudden? I thought you just started planning it.
Well, it's not been long I started planning it. But you know the saying that a family man will find it difficult to save money. But now that I have saved a little, let me make use of it. But my only scare is how she will cope without me.
You see, you don't have to be scared. She's your wife and she loves you so much. That's one thing that matters. And I'm here in this village. I'm here to assist her in every little way I can.
Abuchi, you are more than a brother to me. Thank you once again.
You're welcome.
I really appreciate this.
I'm here now.
Let me get up.
I will assist.
Goba. It seems you want to contest for Igwe or something. Yes?
Igwe? Me?
Yes, no.
Agoba Denko. What will I do with that? I'm bigger than that. I'm an international man now. I'm not like you, local man. No! You see, I hobnob with white men, not blacks. Ekene? Agoba, if I want to be the Igwe, you guys must beg me. And if I decide to become the Igwe, I will change a whole lot of things in this community. I will abolish all these archaic traditions.
Okay,
all these things you call traditions. They know now. That's why they're afraid of me. I go bad then go. They know I'm sharp and dangerous. Ajoronjo.
I go bad the dangerous man.
A man. I'm dangerous and sharp.
Agoba. Hey,
Agoba,
I will get me.
Can I bring glass for you?
No. Some of us, or better still, most of us who were born in the Western world, we drink from the bottle.
Yeah, just get us more.
Honey? Why are you moody? Is it that you don't want me to go? Let me stay back then.
No, my love, you have to go. Just that I'll miss you.
I'll miss you too.
Oh.
Hey, Tonto, eh?
Honey, come on. Abuchi is here to assist you in anything. Don't miss me too much, okay?
I'm also going to be here for you, okay?
Did you hear that?
I can change you. I'm getting late.
Hello. I miss you too. Please take care of yourself in the city. Oh, if you need anything, even if you want me to make your favorite egusi soup, I'll bring it for you. Just give me the address.
You send it through Bluetooth?
No, I will bring it myself. I'll come back to the village.
Okay, again, it's getting late.
It's a special thing. Love is a special thing. No, my heart, love, I'll be one. If I'm not single, you the remote. So be wise, What a trouble, no, baby.
So no bushmeat for me today. Huh? Does it mean all the animals went on strike? Something is wrong somewhere. I must find out. I know Dikeh must be behind this. That man hates me for no just cause. Just because I'm more successful than him. because I'm a ladies man. That's why he's angry. But it's okay. Dikeh.
You scared me.
Sorry.
Hey, Ini, cheer up now. Eh? Why are you so moody as if something bad has happened to him? He has gone for your own good. It's for greener pastures. What he needs now is your prayers, okay? Please.
Yeah, exactly. She's right. Okay? Start praying for him. That's all he needs now. Okay? You need to get to borrow by Roman walk. Oh? Just cheer up. Oh? Just keep praying for him. Okay? He'll be fine. Oh? Let me start going now. I'll come back in the evening time to check on you. Okay. Oh? Cheer up now. Mona Moon.
Smile. Okay, let me get you something to eat. Just stay here, guys. Or go inside.
Well, let me be on my way, okay?
Okay, you like to if you try, should I bring the table here so you eat outside or we should go inside? You want to eat inside? Go on. Let's go. Oh?
Love is a special thing. No, my love, baby. Love is a special thing. No, my heart, baby. Love, I'll be right back. If I'm a single to the remote. So be wise, so be wise. What a choba no me obene. Osolu dene na mo. Dikeh ne jogu ne jemba. Yamalukwa na mbogo na tunanjo. Otonye sayo kwa. Kaukwa sayo ya. Adeju talenaka. Aponkito.
I'm back. What is it? Okay, Nepal, why are you blocking our way?
Blocking your way?
Why are you blocking our way now?
Blocking your way?
Nah,
Sonyara. Look that block on your way. Please. I want to talk to Udoka. She's the one I'm blocking, not you. Look that block. Udo.
Agoba, what is it?
3 feet plus. Yeah, chance. Give us space.
I'm here.
You're here. For what? Eh?
Please, excuse me.
Give us space.
Let me hear
I can feel your pain. Huh? I can feel your pain. You know, no man has ever asked you out.
I'm not going foul. This is where I'm going to be.
One kata. You know, my angel.
What is it?
How are you?
Agoba, I'm fine. What do you have to say? Just say it. I don't have all day.
Udoka, you know I was the first person that asked you out. But you declined. You went and followed that good for nothing man. Dikeh. Huh? Look at me, a successful man like me.
Agoba, hold it right there. No, you can say whatever you have to say, but do not insult my husband. Why will you say such thing about my husband?
Your husband?
Yes.
As far as I'm concerned, you're single. In fact, you're happily single, waiting for Agoba. And then when I'm here, just say yes to my proposal.
I'm not interested, Agoba. Yes, I'm a married woman. Leave me alone.
I'm alone. Let's go.
Agoba, leave me alone. Agoba, leave my way now. Agoba, leave my way. Agoba, leave me alone.
Hey, stop it. What is your problem?
Eh? What problem?
In a mango bar. Making a break dance. What's your problem?
Are you under some kind of influence? Eh? What's the business?
Why are you blocking her way? Why?
What's the business?
What's wrong with you?
She's my wife. She's waiting for me.
Excuse me.
Udoka is mine. I'm mine forever.
Excuse me.
Pioko.
Efredo na masam. Epiayi. No, Epiayi.
Abuchi.
Opioko Piayi.
See. Stay out of my business.
My friend, listen. Don't you ever stop that lady again. Else, next time I see you doing that break dance, that break dance, you take 10, I'll from back. Be careful. Be careful. Somebody is taking care of this girl. Be careful.
Who is taking care of her? A local man. Abuchi. A local man. Oh, Abuchi. You see this thing you did today, huh? You will live to regret it. Abuti, you will live to regret it. Repeat. You will live to regret this. You will live to regret this. No problem.
Thank you so much for saving me today. Abuchi, I don't know what would have done if you weren't there to save me from the hand of that beast.
The thing is that you don't have to be given that animal privilege to be talking to you.
Exactly.
Don't let him talk to you again. Oh?
Exactly.
Yeah, I saw all that before I came out.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
Thank you.
Oh, take care. Oh?
Now you see, you're saying okay. It's not okay. People like that don't stop. Okay? This idiot will keep coming back. Don't forget that.
What would you have me do? That is not even my fear. What if he comes to this house when nobody is here to save me?
What are you talking about? Are you afraid of this guy? He worrying here pure wasiaisi now. If you don't face your fears, he'll keep coming to you. He'll keep coming at you.
Just look at how you said it, as if it's so simple and easy. Because, I don't know, if Dikeh is still in this house, will he even think of coming close to me?
Leave Dikeh out of this one. What I'm going to tell you now is, as a wife, you have to prepare yourself. Protect yourself. Do you know where I keep his gun? Let's go and get it for your protection. Ha! Do you know how to use it?
I don't know how to use a gun. What will I be doing with a gun?
We'll sort it out. We'll look for someone to teach you. You need it for your own protection.
How to use a gun?
So that this guy will go. If you keep doing
not touching back, please.
Alright, let's go inside and get the gun so we'll sort it out.
No, since I don't know how to use the gun, let's stay here and be watchful. In case he's coming, we'll just run away. That's what we're going to do.
How long do you want to keep running for this guy?
I told you! Envy and jealousy has filled your heart. Your heart is bitter. In where you love me. Akinike mereki. Akinike geme. Kobi digin na. Kobi digin na. Ajon madu borone kamborogo. You are evil. Ajon madu borone kamborogo. You are wicked. Owabi fisikotoro. Selakano. Owabi fisikotoro. Selakano. What you sow is what you will reap. Wicked person must not go unpunished. Whatever you sow, that you must reap. Whatever you sow, that you must reap. Wicked person must not go unpunished. Whatever you sow, that you must reap. Ajon madu borone kamborogo. Ajon madu borone kamborogo. Owabi fisikotoro buru selakano. Owabi fisikotoro buru selakano. What you sow is what you will reap. Wicked person must not go unpunished. Whatever you sow, that you must reap. Whatever you sow, that you must reap. Wicked person must not go unpunished. Whatever you sow, that you must reap. Envy and jealousy has fooled your heart. Your heart is bitter. Iwe chulobidi. Akinike meregi. Akinike ageme. Kobidi gima. Kobidi gima. Ajamadu borone kamborogo. You has fooled your heart. Your heart is bitter. Iwe chulobidi. Akinike meregi. Akinike ageme. Kobidi gima. Kobidi gima. Ajamadu borone kamborogo. You are evil. Ajamadu borone kamborogo. You are wicked. What you sow is what you will reap. Wicked person must not go unpunished. Whatever you sow, that you must reap. Whatever you sow, that you must reap. Wicked person must not go unpunished. Whatever you sow, that you must reap. Ajon madu borone kamborogo. Ajon madu borone kamborogo. Owa bifi sikotaro buru selaka nogo. Owa bifi sikotaro buru selaka nogo. What you sow is what you will reap. Wicked person must not go unpunished. Whatever you sow, that you must reap. Whatever you sow, that you must reap. Wicked person must not go unpunished. Whatever you sow, that you must reap. Envy and jealousy has fooled your heart. Your heart is bitter. Iwe chulobidi. Akinike meregi. Akinike ageme. Kobidi gima. Kobidi gima. Ajamadu borone kamborogo. You are
Mama, remove this thing now.
Remove what?
What is the meaning of this?
What's the meaning of what?
Odogu wants to drive past.
Who is Odogu? So, let me tell you. I don't talk to errand boys. My name is Agoba. I am the youth leader. Look, let me tell you. I don't talk to errand boys. I know your boss is in the car. Tell him to come down.
Please, remove this thing. Odogu wants to pass.
Who is Odogu? There is no Odogu bigger than my friend. He's the one I'm waiting for. He's the one that has every right to enter into this village. No car will enter into this village today. I'm waiting for my friend.
So who do you say your name is again?
Agoba Denko. Sharp razor.
Boss, he said his name is Agoba.
I know.
That he does not want to remove those things that he's expecting his friend from the city.
Don't worry. I know. I'm actually playing along.
Okay, you know him?
I know him.
Okay.
Just relax. Alright, let me just get him.
Okay, the man! Okay, what the man! The money bad. The money bad. The money bad. Money is smelling. Money is all over you.
Agoba!
Money bad.
Agoba!
The money bad.
Agoba!
The money bag.
I want them.
Hey! We will set this village ablaze. I can't wait this village up.
Agoba.
Get them come.
I'm sorry about this boy. My boy.
Pastor. The Vasilius PA.
He's a be careful sometimes.
Agoba. Okay, we will paint this town red, blue, green, black, indigo.
Black, Agoba.
Indigo, all colors. Indigo.
My man. Okay, what billions?
Okay, well, let's go. Let's do a paint the car.
Please, let's go, my brother.
Let's go. Hey, Erasmus, open the car.
Jealousy has fooled your heart. Your heart is bitter. In where you love me. Akinike mereki. Akinike ageme. Obi digin na. Obi digin na. Ajam madu borone kamborogo. You are evil. Ajam madu borone kamborogo. You are wicked. Physical toro. Selakano.
Ogini, who is pursuing you?
Nobody's after me. Nobody's after me. Okenwa is back. I saw him in a big car. Big and we are no longer safe in this village. And your doors were safe.
Chelu, I thought he was banished for life.
Yes.
Is the Igwe and the elders aware of his return?
I'm going to tell Udoka and Nataji.
Jealousy has fooled your heart. Your heart is bitter. In where you love me. Akinike mereki. Akinike ageme. Obi digin na. Obi digin na.
It's you, man.
It's you, okay.
This is how you are running parties as if someone is after you.
Nothing is happening, but what I just saw this afternoon, my mom cannot say it.
How is that possible? Speak, you talk to me, I'm listening.
You asked me to ask you. That prodigal son of Ichia Shebu is in town, and right now I'm being entertained at Digwe's palace.
How is that possible?
You are asking me to ask you.
How possible is it?
Igwe makes it possible.
Igwe made it possible?
Yes.
Then we have to go straight to the palace. And we to let the Igwe know that the custom and tradition that we all stand to protect is not what he can destroy overnight. It's not possible. Nakaiga. Nakaiga. Kaiga. Nakaiga.
Your sister.
What happened to my sister?
How the gear?
Yeah.
How am I getting mediocre?
Hey, Chima!
They've raped your sister. They've raped your sister.
Yeah.
I've taken her to the chemist.
You said what?
People everywhere.
You said what?
Rape.
Chibo, Ekene, help me to look after my shop.
Okay, no problem. They raped your sister.
Madman. I hope nobody died.
Woman rapper. Woman rapper.
Wasabi.
You see him anywhere you see woman.